So in this particular exercise, we have both nouns and verbs, and we are going to place it in its appropriate blank. It is not a particular topic, but it has a combination of both nouns as well as verbs. So we have the word brother, run, chairs, sit, flowers, garden, piano, green, Sarah, fast, sad, cat, pizza, friend, table. So it is a combination of nouns and verbs, and it's just a mind refresher wherein we are going to place it in its appropriate blank. So the first one is, this is my dash, a name is dash. So we will pick out the exact word. So I write the word, this is my friend. So I write the word friend. This is my friend. Her name is Sarah. So I write the word Sarah. Next, I like to eat. So we have the name of a particular food. So we have the word pizza. So I take the word pizza. I like to eat pizza. Next, my pet is a, so I have only the word cat. So I write the word cat in the box. My pet is a cat. Next, I play a musical instrument is there. I play the piano. So I have the word piano. I play the piano. There are 4 dash at a dash. So I write there are 4. So I take the word chairs. So there are 4 chairs. There are 4 chairs at our table. And the word table. Next, the dash smells so good in the, so normally the flowers. So we take the word flowers. The flowers. The flowers smell so good in the garden. I have the word garden. The flowers smell so good in the garden. And the last sentence, your dash is tall. So, your brother. Your brother is tall. So, if we take a look at these sentences, we have only made use of the nouns. And the verbs like run, sit, green, fast, sad are not being utilized. So we have made use, or we have taken only, we have picked out only the nouns from the box and we have written it in the sentences. This is my friend, her name is Sarah. I like to eat pizza. My pet is a cat. I play the piano. There are 4 chairs at our table. The flowers smell so good in the garden. Your brother is tall. So the words friend, Sarah, pizza, cat, piano, chairs, table, flowers, garden, brother are all the nouns that have been picked out from the box and placed in the sentences in its appropriate blanks. So this is a small exercise for you to develop. So to be quite familiar in grammar, you need to do a lot of exercises. The more exercises you work out, the more thorough you will be in grammar.